Hi students, welcome back to Universal Chemistry channel. My name is Veerababu. Students, we are discussing about mole concept. In our previous classes, we discussed the important definition for mole. Mole is nothing but of amount of substance which contains Avogadro number of particles. That is simply called as mole. Okay, based on that definition, I want to give some information about atoms and molecules. Okay, first of all, for atoms, for atoms, 1 mole equal to, for atoms, 1 mole equal to its gram atomic mass or 1 gram atom. For atoms, 1 mole equal to gram atomic weight or mass or gram atoms. As well as for molecules, for molecules, 1 mole equal to its gram molecular weight or gram molecular mass, gram molecular weight or gram molecular mass or gram molecule or molar mass, Understood, children? Let's we see some examples. For example, hydrogen atom. Okay, so 1 mole of hydrogen atom equal to, what is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen atom? Its gram atomic mass is equal to 1 gram. So 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, 1 mole of hydrogen atoms equal to 1 gram. 1 gram is gram atomic mass or gram atom of hydrogen. So 1 gram of hydrogen atoms is equal to 1 mole. Same. For example, sodium atoms. Sodium atom. What is the gram atomic weight or gram atomic mass of sodium atom? 23 grams. That means 1 mole of sodium atoms equal to 23 grams. As well as for molecules. Okay, so H2 molecule, we should take H2 molecule. Okay, now H2 molecule is made by 2 hydrogen atoms. It made by 2 hydrogen atoms. What is molecular mass? The sum of atoms present in the molecule is nothing but of molecular mass. Okay, so H2 molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atom. This hydrogen atom weight is 1 gram. This is also 1 gram. So total weight is 2 grams. So one H2 molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom gram atomic weight is 1 gram. Molecular weight is sum of atomic weights. So 1 plus 1, 2 grams. That means 1 mole of H2 molecule is equal to 2 grams. As well as O2 molecule. O2 molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. Oxygen atomic gram atomic weight is 16 grams. This oxygen also 16 grams. So sum of these 2 oxygen atoms equal to 32 grams. So here 1 mole of O2 molecule equal to 32 grams. Understood, children? Note it first. Okay, so that means for atoms its gram atomic weight is equal to 1 mole. For molecules its gram molecular weight or molar mass equal to 1 mole. Understood, children? Let's we see how to calculate number of moles. Okay, calculation of number of moles. So Listen carefully, students. Case 1 or type 1. First case 1. Case 1. If mass is given, in that case, we should use the formula to calculate number of moles is number of moles is equal to, number of moles is denoted by small n, number of moles is equal to given mass or given weight by gram atomic mass or gram atomic weight. This formula for atoms. This formula is used for atoms. I have already told to you, in chemistry, mass is equal to weight. Okay, that's why we should use mass or atom. Both are correct. Okay, so here number of moles denoted by small n, that equal to given weight. Weight is denoted by W and gram atomic mass is denoted by GAM or gram atomic weight GAW. So this is the formula 1 to calculate number of moles. This formula is used for atoms. Okay, second formula, if molecules given, in that case number of moles is equal to given weight by gram molecular weight, given weight by gram molecular weight. This formula used for to calculate number of moles of molecules. So this is used for molecules. Okay, so simply n is equal to given weight W by gram molecular weight. So these two are the formulas. When mass is given, we should use these two formulas. First one for atoms, second formula for molecules. Both are same, but in case of atoms, we should calculate number of moles. Formula is weight by gram atomic weight. Here atoms given, now we should take gram atomic weight. If molecules given, weight by gram molecular weight. Understood, children? Take a screenshot. So the question is, find number of moles. Find number of moles. First one, 12 grams of H2. 12 grams of H2. First of all, we recognize the given one is atom or molecule. Okay, atoms are individual. That means when substance available in atomic state, it is in the form of single atoms. But in case of molecule, okay, how a molecule is formed? Molecules are formed by combination of two or more atoms. Okay, minimum two atoms are required to form a molecule. Okay, so here 12 grams of H2 is given. H2 is molecule, not atom. H is hydrogen atom. H2 is hydrogen molecule. So here the weight given is 12 grams. So first of all we should write given data. Understood? So here weight is equal to how much? 12 grams. And H2 is molecule. It's H2 gram molecular weight. What is the gram molecular weight of hydrogen? 2 grams. H2 is formed by combination of two hydrogen atoms. One hydrogen atom atomic weight is 1. Here H2 molecule contains two hydrogen atoms. Okay, 1 gram for one hydrogen atom. So totally two hydrogen atoms present in H2 molecule. That's why 1 plus 1, 2 grams. And he asked to find out number of moles. So when molecules are given, what is its formula? Number of moles small n is equal to given weight by gram molecular weight. So here number of moles is equal to weight. How much weight is given? 12 grams is given. And gram molecular weight of hydrogen gas is 2 grams. That equal to so 6. So 12 grams of hydrogen has 6 moles. Okay, next second question. 4 grams of helium. 4 grams of helium. So helium, He, 4 grams of helium. Here He is given. He is given. Helium symbol is He. So only one atom given. Only one atom is given. So when atoms given, we should use which formula? Given weight by gram atomic weight. Okay, so first of all we should write given information. Weight is equal to 4 grams and helium gram atomic weight is, what is the gram atomic weight of helium? 4 gram per mole. And he asked to find out number of moles. What is formula? Number of moles is equal to given weight by gram atomic weight, because helium is an atom. So let's we substitute these values. 4 grams by 4 gram per mole, that equal to 1 mole. So in this way we should calculate number of moles. So let's we see some more examples. First of all, take a screenshot or note it. Okay, next one, third question. 180 grams of urea. 180 grams of urea. 180 grams of urea. What is the formula for urea? Urea formula is NH2COO NH2. It is molecule, not atom. Okay, because it contains more number of atoms. Okay, so first of all we should write given information. Weight is equal to how much? 180 grams given in the question. And what about it is molecule na? We should calculate urea molecular weight. So urea, it's gram molecular weight. Okay, urea formula is NH2CO NH2. Its molecular formula CH4N2O. Okay, 1 carbon atom, 4 hydrogens, 2 nitrogens, 1 oxygen. Okay, so it contains 1 carbon atom, 4 hydrogens, 2 nitrogens and 1 oxygen. Okay, so what is molecular weight? Sum of atomic weights of atoms of all elements present in the molecule is equal to gram molecular weight. So here 1 carbon is there. Carbon atomic weight is 12 grams. I mean gram atomic weight. Hydrogen 4 into 1, 4 grams. Nitrogen 2 into 14, 28 grams. Oxygen 1 into 16, 16 grams. So by adding these values we get 60. So urea molecular mass is 60 grams per mole. So urea gram molecular weight 60 gram per mole. And he asked to find out number of moles. Okay, so what is the formula? Number of moles is equal to given weight by gram molecular weight for molecules. So number of moles is equal to given weight is 180 grams divided by what is the gram molecular weight of urea? We counted already. So that is 60 gram per mole. 60 gram per mole, that equal to 3 moles. Understood? So 180 grams of urea contains 3 moles. Understood? Next, another question. For example, if 2 grams of hydrogen atoms given. 2 grams of hydrogen atoms given. Okay, so here atoms given, not molecule. Okay, so what is given information? Weight is equal to 2 grams. And what is the hydrogen atoms given na? So we should calculate gram atomic weight. So hydrogen gram atomic weight is 1 gram per mole. And number of moles, what is the formula? Number of moles is equal to weight by gram atomic weight. Weight 2 grams given in the question and its gram atomic weight is 1 gram per mole, that equal to 2 moles. Understood, children? Okay, 2 grams of hydrogen atoms equal to 2 moles. 2 grams of H2 molecule equal to only 1 mole, because what is the reason? So In case of atoms, we should take gram atomic weight. If in case of molecules, we should take gram molecular weight. Okay, take a screenshot first. Next question. Fifth one. Okay, next question is fifth one. 24 milligrams of ozone. 24 milligrams of ozone. So, students, you must remember one thing. While we calculating mole concept related problems, we must take it in grams only. Okay. In examination, if question is given in milligrams, and I mean weight is given in milligrams, we must convert into grams. If weight is given in kgs, we must convert into grams. If question is given in micrograms, we must convert into grams. Understood, children? Okay. While we calculating mole concept related problems, we must take in weights in grams only. Understood? So here, the weight of ozone weight is given in 24 milligrams. 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 grams. Okay, here 24 grams is given. So 24 milligrams equal to 24 into 1 by 1000 grams. 1 by 1000 equal to 10 power minus 3. 1000 is equal to 10 cube. Okay, so 24 into 1 by 10 cube grams. When we wrote 10 cube in numerator, that it becomes reciprocal. So 24 into 10 power minus 3 grams. Okay, so now the question is 24 into 10 power minus 3 grams of ozone is given. We calculate number of moles. Okay, and ozone molar mass, gram molecular weight, that is also called as molar mass. So ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms. Ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms. One oxygen atom weight is 16 grams. Here 3 oxygen atoms given. So 3 into 16, that equal to 48 gram per mole. Okay, when we substitute in the formula, number of moles is equal to weight by gram molecular weight, that equal to weight how much? 24 into 10 power minus 3 grams divided by gram molecular weight is how much? 48 gram per mole. So 24 ones, 24 twos, okay, that equal to 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 3 moles. 1 by 2 into 10 to power minus 3 moles. 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 moles. That equal to 5 into 10 power minus 4 moles. Okay, so these all are the answers. Okay, in multi-answer questions, sometimes these 3 options also given. Understood, children? Okay, so when mass is given in milligrams, we convert into grams. Okay, so this is example. Okay. Take a screenshot first. Let's we see if mass is given in kgs. If mass is given in kgs. Okay. Okay. For example, 1.6 kgs of SO2 is given. 1.6 kgs, kilograms, 1.6 kilograms of SO2 given. So calculate number of moles. I already told to you, when mass is given in kilograms, we must convert into grams. When mass is given in milligrams or micrograms, we must convert into grams. Okay, so here weight equal to 1.6 kilograms. 1 kilo equal to 1000 grams. So that equal to 1.6 into 1000. 1000 equal to how much? 1000 grams. 1000 equal to 10 cube. 1000 is taken as 10 cube grams. Okay, so weight equal to 1.6 into 10 cube grams. And SO2. SO2 is a molecule. It's gram molecular weight. It contains one sulfur atom and 2 oxygen atoms. One sulfur atom and 2 oxygen atoms. Sulfur atomic weight is 32 grams. Oxygen atomic weight is, gram atomic weight is 1 oxygen 16, 2 oxygens again 32. So total weight is how much? 64 grams. Okay. Calculate number of moles. What is the formula to calculate number of moles? Number of moles is equal to given weight by gram molecular weight or molar mass for molecules. So here weight is 1.6 into 10 cube grams. 10 cube grams. That equal to 64. Gram molecular weight is equal to 64 gram per mole. 64 gram per mole. Understood? So let's we cancel it. 1.6 64. So 1.6 ones and 64 40s. 64 40s. Okay. So that equal to 1000 by 40. 10 cube equal to 1000. Okay. By 40 moles. 0 0 40 and 25. Okay. So here the number of moles equal to 25 moles. Understood, children? So in this way we should calculate number of moles. Okay. Note it fast, children. In this way we should calculate number of moles. That means when mass is given, okay, by using these two formulas. What is that? First one, number of moles is equal to given weight by gram atomic weight for atoms. And what is second one? Number of moles is equal to given weight by gram molecular weight. So by using these two formulas we should calculate number of moles. Understood, children? Okay. So we continue this topic in next classes. Okay. Thank you very much.